How to Lock Facebook Profile 2026 in the Age of AI, Deepfakes, and Online Privacy Risks. Leaving your Facebook profile open to strangers is something you simply cannot afford. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to lock your Facebook profile so only your friends can see your content. Let us get straight into it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are covering how to lock your Facebook profile in 2026 on both mobile and desktop. This is one of the most important privacy features Facebook offers, and it takes less than a minute to turn on. Let us go. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap your profile picture icon at the top right corner on Android or the bottom right corner on iPhone to go to your profile page. You may technology Step 2. Once you are on your profile, tap the three-dot menu next to the Edit Profile button. You may technology a small menu will pop up with several options listed. Step 3. Look for the Lock Profile option and tap it, then confirm your choice. You may technology that is it, your profile is now locked. Facebook will show you a summary of everything that has changed on your profile. Step 4. On desktop, the steps are slightly different. Log in to Facebook on your browser and click your name to go to your profile page. Click the three-dot menu below your cover photo, then choose the Lock Profile option and follow the prompts to confirm. You may technology Step 5. Now let us quickly go over what actually changes when your profile is locked. Non-friends can only see a limited version of your profile, including your profile picture, cover photo, and basic info in your About section. All your previous public posts become visible to friends only. Features like tag review and timeline review are also automatically enabled. You may technology, this means nothing gets posted to your profile without your approval. Pro tip: locking your profile does not affect posts you have made in public Facebook groups or pages. Those remain visible to non-friends. Mavic AI: so if you want full privacy, be mindful of what you post publicly in groups even after locking your profile. And that is it. In just a few taps, you have locked your Facebook profile and protected your photos, posts, and personal information from strangers. Simple, quick, and one of the smartest things you can do for your online privacy right now. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Facebook privacy tips. Got a question about another Facebook feature? Drop it in the comments below and I will cover it in my next video. See you next time.